What's up, guys? It's Hot Wheels, and today we're going to be doing our search for the fastest Hot Wheels car. Today we had 12 challengers taking each other on. The fastest time will become our Speed King. Yes, so as you can see, here's a look at your 12 challengers. Let's see who becomes fastest. As you can see, the cars will have 2 runs down the Super 6 lane. So as you can see, the fastest speed will become the Speed King. The Datsun 620 takes its first run in 3, 2, 1, now. His speed is 379 of his opening run speed. Alright, the Datsun 620 had an opening speed of a speed of 379 miles an hour. Now let's see, can he improve? 3, 2, 1. 368. So not able to improve. So the Datsun finishes with a 379. Alright, so we have the 1969 Ford Talladega. So to do that, the speed must be well over 379 miles an hour. Let's see, can the Talladega be first? On your marks, get set, go. You have a 356, not enough speed to qualify first run. Talladega had a poor opening speed with a speed of 356 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve? He have a 356 once again, so the Ford Talladega cannot defeat the Datsun 620. Alright, so next up we have the 2016 Civic Type R. In 3, 2, 1, now. For the speed trap, 366 for the Civic Type R, and simply not enough speed to qualify speed. Alright, so the Civic had his first run speed of 366 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve here in 3, 2, 1. He had a 365, even 1 mile per hour slower than his first run. Even slower than his first run. So let's get the next competitor. Right, so the 1990 Civic EF. Let's see, his first run begins now. So the speed trapped, he had a 375. So let's get this ready up for a second run. Alright, the Civic had a top speed of 375 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve? 3, 2, 1. For the speed trap, 375 once again, so he cannot defeat the 2016 Civic Type R. Alright, the Volkswagen Golf MK2 is up and running, ready to go. So the Volkswagen Golf MK2 will start now. For the speed trap, 388. So the Volkswagen Golf is your new leader. So the Volkswagen Golf MK2 is your new leader. The Volkswagen Golf takes the lead with a speed of 388 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve here? 3, 2, 1. For the speed trap, 387. So even slower than his, 1 mile per hour slower than his first run. So the Volkswagen Golf moves to the McLaren P1's first run starts now. So his top speed of 373 miles an hour. The McLaren P1 had a speed of 373 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve in 3, 2, 1 now. For the speed trap, 372, so even 1 mile per hour slower than his first run. Let's see, but the next competitor can beat him. Alright, so we have the 1955 Chevy Nomad Gasser. So let's see what his first run speed is. In 3, 2, 1, go. His top speed is 360, so that is not a qualified top speed. So there's 28 miles per hour slower than the Golf MK2. Alright, so the Gasser had a top speed of 360 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve here in 3, 2, 1. He had a 348, so off the mark with his second run. The eighth competitor of the day is the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2. Now let's see what he can do at a 164 scale. He had a top speed of 387. So he was 1 mile per hour slower than the Golf MK2. Alright, the Lamborghini Huracan had a top speed of 387 miles per hour. Let's see, can he improve here and knock off the Golf MK2? On your marks, get set, go. 380, so even 7 miles per hour slower than his first run. Alright, so the next competitor is the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. So the Charger Daytona will begin in 3, 2, 1 now. He's off 335 to his first speed with his top speed of 335 miles an hour. Alright, so the Charger Daytona had a port speed of 335 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve? Yeah, he has a 323, so even slower than his first run. Alright, the next competitor is the 1981 Camaro. Takes his first run now. Top speed with a 378. So that was his first run speed. The Camaro had a top speed of 378 miles an hour. Let's see if you can improve. 3, 2, 1. He had a top speed of 377, so even slower. So 1 mile per hour slower than his first run. Alright, the next competitor is the 1985 Camaro. Takes his first run right now. So his top speed 365, so not enough speed to qualify a time. A 365 for his opening speed. The Camaro had a poor opening speed with a speed of 365 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve? 3, 2, 1. For his speed trap, 364, so okay. And the last competitor is the 1955 Corvette. Takes his first run now. For the speed trap, 375. Alright, the Corvette with his opening speed with a speed of 375 miles an hour. Let's see, can he improve here? 3, 2, 1. The speed trap, 374. So he will move to third. Alright, so here are the results. The Volkswagen Golf finished first. I'm not sure who finished second.